TikTok script, 5 natural remedies for hemorrhoids. Suffering from hemorrhoids? Try these 5 natural remedies. Let's dive in. Point 1. Sitz bathtub. Soak in warm water for 15 minutes, 2 to 3 times daily. It's like a spa day for your bottom. Quote. 2. Witch hazel woman mage. Apply this magical plant extract to reduce swelling and pain. No wands required. Quote. 3. Fiber-rich foods broccoli red apple. Load up on fruits, veggies, and whole grains. Your colon will thank you. Quote. 4. Cold compress snowflake. Apply ice for quick relief. It's like a winter wonderland for your, well, you know. Point 5. Aloe vera herb. Nature's soothing gel, not just for sunburns anymore. Quote. Remember, if symptoms persist, consult a doctor. Stay healthy, TikTok fam. Quote. Like and follow for more health hacks. #hemorrhoid help #natural remedies XD.